Same here. I am honored to be part of your show, but I cannot be too long because I had previous appointments.
So your being there is enough, Sheila. So it's like so sweet of you, and it's like so many memories with you. So we just, you can be there for till how long?
10-15 minutes.
Okay, so when
Or
everybody joins in, then we will ask, we'll talk with you, and then you leave. We are just
okay.
letting everybody join in.
And a few minutes longer, not an issue.
Okay.
That means Miriam will have to drive faster.
Hi everyone. Please do rename yourselves if you have sipping thoughts so that we can know who everybody is. That'll be excellent. You can just hit the rename function right next to your picture and you can just put your name in. Hi Surbi, how are you? There's Meenal, everybody's there. Whenever we're ready, Damini.
Hi everyone.
Awesome, guys. Thank you all for joining us. Meeta, we're so excited. Meeta, do you remember 3 years? My goodness.
Nostalgia. It's like you're not doing a Zoom show for people. You're doing the Zoom show with people. That is the beauty of it. Yeah.
Very different from when we started, really. When we didn't really know what we're about to do.
I think
It
it seems
started as
such an adventure, and I would call it even a roller coaster ride, Anubha.
yeah, I agree. Yeah, from where we started, absolutely.
Yeah, it's been
I
so
still
long.
remember the phone call Suki made to me. So I always say that it is Suki's brainchild. She made a call to me, Meeta, look, let's do something like this. I am also kind of thinking to do something, and there are shows in abroad, but not in India. Why don't we create a show like that? We both decided, okay, we have our own experiences, our own struggle. So let's do something. So I think few days we were chatting long conversations, and then we said, okay, let's put a team together, and that is what my first memory is all about.
I think my first memory is we were at that a birthday party, and you and I were whispering in the corner,
Yeah.
like, let's get started, let's get started.
And then we had a meeting at your house in Navratri, and we all, Anubha, Tina, we all four of us were there. And yeah. And then we said, "Kya, chalo, shuru karte hain." That's how it started.
And I think we all kind of dived in, right? Didn't give
I
it
think we
so
all
much
pushed
thought. We
each
were all,
other because we were together, you know?
yeah.
In the first one, remember, none of us was really ourselves. We had such heavy makeup on, thinking that, it's going to be needed for the camera. And then we didn't like ourselves the way we looked.
Rohit, where is the first video? I think we have it with us.
Meeta, we lost you.
No, I'm asking Rohit, requesting Rohit to share the video if he has.
Yeah, the very first one.
And we forgot to thank you all. Like we just four of us started this journey just like that. Let's start. कितने लोगों ने हमें बोला अच्छा ये आपकी किटी पार्टी है अच्छा why are you talking in front of the camera? What are you guys trying to do? So many questions were being asked कि actually कर क्या रही हो? Then this is where we are. So thank you all of you for being a part of it. कहते हैं ना कि शुरू अकेला किया था बट कारवा बनता चला गया. Now we can proudly say that we are a huge family of so many women and many men also. That's the beauty of it.
Oh, wow. I remember this. This was our first shoot that we were doing.
And so, Kirti, that's your house.
Yes. And look at
Oh
how
my
made up
God.
we are. Oh, it's lovely.
I can remember that day just like it were yesterday, in fact.
And
And yet, time has flown so fast.
it looked like accidental baby, but it was not an accidental baby. We don't know what do we call it, but yeah, it's like
I remember
Accidentally conceptualized.
No, I remember all the discussion we had on the name. Do you remember Chai Pe
Yeah.
Charcha? Pata nahi kitne naam. Then finally Meeta came up with Sipping Thoughts and it just kind of clicked.
And
It was like, yes,
and Tina's numerology,
Yeah.
the numbers had to click with it. Otherwise, we can't name it.
how much we had to play with the logo because it was a long name. And then so basically the idea is कि लोग बोलते हैं ना कि women, they always the best time for them is the evening tea when men are at work, kids are settled or playing, and that is the time you always have a conversation over the tea. So that was the whole idea. हमने अपनी तो काफी बोली. Let's start with Sheila. Sheila, we have a lovely memory, and I still remember when Anurag is also joining, I think in a while, when Anurag said, Meeta, Sheila is confirmed, she is coming. So thank you, Sheila, for being with us.
It is my honor and pleasure to be around you.
We have had a lot of learning, lot of conversation, 1 month together, and it still look like a dream.
It was a dream and not enough.
I was about to say that still we have a list of people who wanted to do a conversation with you. How many programs did we do with Sheila? I think.
my goodness, I can't, it's so many. I think we had a whirlwind trip. Sheila, you were exhausted after you left us here.
At the end, I was exhausted, but we managed it one way or the other.
Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, Pune.
Right? We were also in Rajasthan, but that was rest. Dehradun,
Yes.
yeah. That's quite a lot, but it was fun. And you guys had organized so well that I have nothing to complain about. So much love and affection I received from every one of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was, I think you motivated us.
Well, it doesn't matter who motivated who, but that was the result. And I still carry that warmth in my heart. When this morning I got a message from Meeta to join you all, I tried to move a couple things around and I said, I must see you all again.
That's extremely sweet, Sheila. That's so nice of you.
We would have had another show. You were in India. We had so many plans, and then this sad COVID happened.
Yeah, but we will meet again when it becomes more relaxed, COVID.
Yeah.
Or we become more relaxed with COVID.
Hopefully very soon, very soon.
Very soon, yes, we hope.
Sheila, we wanted a message, any message you want to give to all the family of Sipping Thought. And
I know this event is for the women. And I cannot say just the event for women of India. It is for all women. It is not a question of empowerment of the women. Women are empowered, just women have to claim their righteous position in life. to claim that you may come across many difficulties because people or the mankind is used to oppressing women. Don't allow it. If you allow, you participate in that oppression.
Yes, I think somebody, it's okay now, Sheila.
Beautifully said.
Yes, I think I totally agree with her also.
Thank you.
And
Sheila.
you are also beautiful women. My God, you have to do nothing.
Did you
Your
see that
beauty
video of
and
us?
your love will take over the world.
Sheila, did you see the video of us with all that makeup?
I did. I saw the painting, yes.
We were all Tina's canvas around that time.
You see? But you are all natural beauties, you know?
Thank you. Sheila, we had Suki, we had 5 questions today for, let's
Yes.
ask Sheila so that we will
Absolutely.
start will you
The
ask?
first question, yeah. Sheila, what do you think? I mean, I know you've said it, but as women, what are the challenges that we face?
The biggest challenge we face, I think, getting married. Somehow, in our culture, women has been educated only when they grow up, they have to get married. And what clothing and jewelry they have to buy. And I think it is a sad event. With this focus on marriage, they take the whole spark of being a woman. It is almost, they teach you how to put prison bangles on your hand.
So, Sheila, taking up from that, so what change do you think we most want to see?
What?
Change would you like most to see?
I would like women to think beyond marriage. I would like to see women thinking for themselves instead of being programmed to get married and raise family.
And what do you think is the personal strength of a woman? And what is our combined strength?
I'm sorry, I didn't
What
hear.
is the personal strength of a woman and what is the combined strength of women?
Personal woman of the strength is love. It is natural, inborn, because love and protection is natural body. You carry a child 9 months in your womb. And the love, nourishment, and protection you offer to the child, that is your basic strength. And whether you are a mother or not mother, the potential of this strength, every woman has it.
Wow, so nice. So, Sheila, we would love your advice. How do we grow together and how can we empower each other? And a platform like Sipping Thoughts, what do you think? What role do we have in this?
How do women empower? Women should drop competition.
Yes.
Women should feel their own inner confidence. And platform like Sipping Thought take women more towards the basic qualities of life. They already have it. Focus more on this basic quality. Sipping thought can do much. And you are already doing it.
Any advice for us, Sheila? I know you've been with us. You've been very close to Meeta and me. We would love to get your thoughts and, of course, your blessings also.
Only thought I have is do not waste time in argument. Recognize one another's qualities. Compensate one another with one another's character and qualities.
Thank you, Sheila. Like when I'm listening to you, I'm so amazed that whatever we have been talking in so many sessions, webinars, conversations, you have summarized everything so beautifully. And I am just connecting the dots and then see, oh my God, what the whole book says. You have, it's a synopsis. So that's the beauty of, I think, intelligence, confidence, experience. A lot of learning. As I always tell you that whenever I talk to you, whenever we talk to you, there's always been a lot of learning. So it's another chance to.
We have to talk more.
Yes.
Because I love seeing your beautiful face.
Thank
I
you.
tell you my weakness. You women are so beautiful. And that was such a pleasure in India to have so many beautiful young people around me. We have to talk more. It doesn't matter what we talk about it. Just to see beautiful smiling faces.
Thank you, Sheila.
Thank you, Sheila. I'd like to now throw this up to Tina and Anubha, who have both been with us from the day we started walking this journey. What are your thoughts, Tina and Anubha? You've seen us, you've been with Sipping Thoughts, you've been with us from every, I think, walk, you've stepped with us through this whole journey.
Well, my only thought is, oh, when will I visit you all again? Even with Zoom right now, I find it so beautiful that we finally speak with one another again. And I must say, you remember whenever we met a couple of times, I was in Delhi and we met, you suffer with your allergies.
I was going to say that was my most embarrassing. I was going to give your story.
You suffer with your allergies, and I have been thinking, how can I help Sukirti with allergies? What can she do to help? And I have asked a number of people who suffer with severe allergies like you. Yeah, clean air in India or in Delhi in particular is difficult to find.
Or take Suki to Switzerland.
Yes, I'm coming.
Anytime. You just let me know when you can travel again.
Meeta,
It would be my pleasure.
Suki chose this after living so many years abroad in clean air. She said, I want pollution now. I've had enough of clean air. So this is my choice.
Well, Sheila, thank you so much for being part of the Sipping Thoughts family. We really loved every minute with you. So thank you from my bottom of my heart. I know Meeta also, Sipping Thoughts, I think you're coming to India. That was actually, I think, the first time. We also, I think it pushed us pushed me, it pushed Meeta. We went into so many different spheres. We tried so many new things that we did not ever do before. So we thank you for that. We thank you for being with us, because it was an amazing journey together.
And let me thank you and compliment you, Meeta, and your team, that you had marvelous organization. You did everything in your power to comfort me and offer me the warmth.
Thank you, Sheila. Thank you. It's mutual. We received also a lot of warmth. And as promised, we are freeing you on time, so you don't have to drive fast. And
Thank
Miriam
you.
doesn't have to rush.
So I am going to leave the meeting now.
Thank you, Sheila.
Bye-bye,
Bye,
all of you
Sheila.
beautiful
Catch up.
ladies. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being with
Bye-bye.
us. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Now I'd like to take the conversation to Tina and Anubha, who have been with us like every step of the way. They've seen us from that first day with all the makeup to today. I'd like to get their thoughts. And then, of course, we'd love to get into all the people that have been with us. We've got Harika, we've got Surbi, we've got Shamali, we've got Priya Ingorani. We've got so many people to get to. I mean, we're just going to get to everyone really, really quickly. But I want to start the journey with our two really amazing friends that have been with us all the way.
Well,
Tina,
I
you
just
go
want
first.
I just want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity. It's been a fantastic 3-year journey. From, that moment when I was so nervous every time I faced the camera, and Arun, our technical team, he would come and tell me, ma'am, we need to reshoot and retake because, your heartbeat is so loud that it's been captured on the camera. From that point on to this moment, after 3 years, it's been so fantastic. We met so many wonderful, vibrant personalities that I probably wouldn't have. So thank you so much. I crave that excitement of shooting personally. I really wish the pandemic weren't here and we could all have met in person and celebrated this thing together. But unfortunately, that's not to be. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
You are.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. So yeah.
Too much of quiet.
So it's been great. Anubha, on to you.
Yeah, you know me. I'm not a very serious kind of a person. So when Suki and Meeta came across with this thing, I said, yeah, why not? Sitting and chatting with friends, so much fun. So I was always probably the only one who never knew what we are going to talk about when I used to arrive there, and I used to ask somebody, okay, what are we talking about today? So it was a lot of fun. Started off just like that, and then all the changes. What I really used to look forward to were our lunches together. Are giving gyan to each other in between, little bit of bitching about what's right, what's not right, and everything to go with it. But what I really appreciate is the shape that is taken from where we started and from where it is today. It's become a big platform, and I'm sure it's helping a lot of people. And it's been a fun ride all along. And I agree with Tina. I wish the pandemic weren't there. We would have celebrated. We would have brought out the champagne.
Wow, kudos. So from here, we know that Sujata, Harika, Meenal, Sneha, Sangeeta, all these women, Rohit, can you spotlight them? So they have been hosting the shows with us. And so some load which we had in pandemic when we couldn't do live shows, so they have taken charge. So Meenal is here. She is a ever smiling host. Harika, always with a lot of knowledge, which Sujata, a combination of too many things, intelligent, vibrant, lost, smiling. Sangeeta, again, coming from a lot of coaching space. Sneha, the youngest of all. Sangeeta, sorry, she is a coach, again, coming from a lot of knowledge. I go a little fast, so many people have to speak. Sneha, youngest of all, from Germany. Thanks to pandemic that we are able to connect with all of you who are contributing. Meenal is in Moradabad. Sujata is all over the place. She doesn't know where she is going to be next. So these are our newer hosts who are taking responsibilities for different categories. Anytime, just a phone call away, they will be ready to be there, support us, host the shows, do give contribution. So very heartfelt thank you to all of you. And we know that this journey from here is going to be from 5 people to 500 people. So let's listen from our host quickly, and then we move to lot many people I can see, and we really want to talk to everybody here. Who do we start? Out of 5 of you, please think who is going to speak. Sujata.
So my journey started like as the lockdown started, and I think Let's Talk was kind of being put together at that time, and Meeta and I started talking, and that's how we put the show. We started with the show, and it was such a magical experience, getting panelists together, figuring out the right people for each show, and making conversations, and in just even in the first few months, I think I evolved so much as a person, because every person I connected to had so much to share and so much to tell me. And I was like, oh my God. And everybody had such varied backgrounds. And, just as a woman to connect with so many women in such a short period of time, I thought it was such a blessing. So thank you, Suki and Meeta, for the wonderful, platforms that, I could experience all of that. It was just lovely. And you guys are amazing, and sky is the limit, really. This is much needed in India. And I'm so glad you guys started this, and it'll go places, international, everywhere. That's where it ought to be.
So wherever you travel to, you are your one hand is still here. We are holding you tight.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Sujata. So after once Sujata was little unwell and she had travel plans, then Meenal said, okay, let me take this responsibility up. And then in future, we will be sharing the load. But right now, Meenal has helped me when Sujata suddenly was unwell. So Meenal, from Sujata to you.
So Sujata has been my mentor, and like Tina said, the first time when you go in front of the camera, you're like really nervous. So हालत खराब हो रही थी मेरी, and Sujata से ना I'll be like हो जाएगा मुझसे, like नहीं कर लेगी चिंता मत कर. She was like this, and Meeta was always like अरे क्या हो गया, हम perfect नहीं है, हो जाएगा. So and first time when I came on the show, I'd forgotten my lines. I didn't remember anything. Harika was there, so Harika was like कोई बात नहीं, all went well. So this is the kind of supportive team that we have here, and from there probably I've hosted around 10 shows if I'm not wrong. करते करते अभी भी बहुत भूलती रहती हूँ, लेकिन भूलने के बाद में इतना डर नहीं लगता कि डांट नहीं पड़ती है ज्यादा. So that is the best part about the show कि डांट नहीं पड़ती है, क्योंकि कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार ठीक कर लेना. So that was the thing. And अभी मेरी कुछ दिन पहले एक फ्रेंड से बात हो रही थी, तो हमारे जैसे देश में या कहीं पे भी वी कैन से कि पहले जो हमारा वुमेन कल्चर होता था ना, पनघट पे सब पानी लेने जाते थे, 4 गगरी लेकर भी चलते थे, कमर टूट जाती थी, लेकिन विमेन लुक्ड फॉरवर्ड टू इट. घास काटने पहाड़ों पे जाती थी, लेकिन जाते ही थे. क्यों जाते थे? दिन से बाहर अपने घर से निकलते थे, सबकी बुराइयां करनी होती थी, सबके बारे में बातें करनी होती थी, अच्छी भी होना था, रोना भी होता था. बट दैट वाज देयर टाइम. फिर टीवी आया, सब वर्चुअल फैमिली में लग गए, वो चीजें खत्म होने लग गई. लेकिन पैंडेमिक आने से क्या हुआ कि ये चीजें वापस आ गई, वर्चुअल फॉर्म में आएंगे, लेकिन रियल विमेन विद रियल थॉट्स आ गई, जो हम सिपिंग थॉट्स पे मिले. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वेडनेसडे के लेट्स टॉक से पहले का जो ट्यूसडे का होता है ना, उसमें मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मजा आता है. एंड 10 शो का मतलब है कि 40 लोग से तो अभी तक मैं मिल चुकी हूँ. So sipping thoughts is not like one person, it's like an entire family. And when we sent out the invitations for today, सबने ये बोला कि भाई दूसरा काम था, लेकिन हम छोड़कर आएंगे इस शो के लिए. So that is what I think sipping thoughts, Meeta, Suki, Tina, Anubha, you guys have earned it. Sujata, I'll always love you. So okay, thanks Meeta, thanks everybody.
Thank you.
We've got Harika too. Harika has been with us also.
Yes, Harika, thank you, thanks a lot.
Harika?
Yeah, okay. So thanks, guys. I just, I'm probably one of those, apart from the 4 of you, who had the, like I said, the experience of the offline as well. So I think just before, and I remember, of course, for me, it was all a very new experience, to get on the camera and everything. And the only thing that, like, I was remembering Tina said that you could hear the heartbeat. मुझे बस ये सुनने को मिलता था, इतनी जोर से मत बोलो, मतलब तो all the time, and especially Meeta's telling me, हाँ, don't scream, it's okay. And I, of course, having this whole trainer coach mentality, तो वो मतलब and हर चीज में be yourself. You don't have to give ज्ञान all the time. So it was a wonderful, and of course, पहले you have to correct it, then you're like just enjoying and flowing with it. And what I really like, जैसे मीनल ने बोला, वो जो chit chat वाला माहौल है, the more we get together, and a lot of times we thought something and we've come, and यहाँ आके बात बिल्कुल बदल जाती है. But the ease and the comfort with which we are able to kind of just put that point across or change the whole thing, it's like, you know, I love the fact that हम पानी की तरह हैं, literally we flow, and we flow together. And the other thing I really want to say, Aj, and it's been a while, I think, that I have done a show now with the team, but of course the messages had come. Or the Meeta ka ek message aaya, आज you're coming now, and 3:45 you're going to join in. It's like the heart swells up. There's nothing else to say, but there's so much love. And I think that love is because of you guys. You've like literally, you know, extended us into a family and made us into a family, which is unbelievable. A family of women together is, I think, the biggest powerful force that can ever be. We are the change makers because we experience that ourselves. हर बारी हम कोई program करते हैं, उसमें जो बात होती है, वो literally हम internalize करते हैं. I remember Suki, I don't know, it was one about I think the aromatherapy or something, that, and we decided, we said, ये तो हम कर रहे हैं, we're doing this, we're practicing that, and then we discuss it. So it's like, you know, this is our life, and we are bringing our life here and taking it back and just expanding. And that is the most wonderful feeling. What else do you want? You want love, you want togetherness, and you want good things together. And of course, we have issues and we have days that we are down, and then that's when we also get together. And I love the little chats we have before and after. जब ये show शुरू होने
Most fun.
And Harika, I must say, I used to love your sari look, but Zoom pe I don't get to see that anymore.
Yeah, because that's okay. I mean, I'm sure that'll come back too. अगर मैं साड़ी पहनूंगी तो खाली अभी पल्लू आएगा. It's somehow made us lazy now. We don't make all that much effort to get ready. But yeah, and my sarees are sitting. They haven't seen. उनको भी हवा नहीं लगी है in all of this. But thanks. Yeah.
Thank you, Harika.
Let's listen to Sangeeta.
Firstly, I'd like to start on a note of gratitude, like I always do. I think what a wonderful platform for showcasing everybody's talents. And I think all fabulous women, it is just such a stellar project. I feel very thankful to be part of this entire fabulous family. And I always say that I learn a lot from all of you. And I think this whole, whichever way this journey might have started out, to inform, to engage. And I think the most amazing thing, the most distinguishing factor about your platform is that you ask a lot of questions that is there in your heart, right? You always wish somebody would bring it to the fore, somebody would discuss it, things that we are not comfortable talking about, things that we always, ek thodi jhijak hoti hai na ki, shall I ask it or shall I talk about it? And you have managed to make it so mainstream. It is non-judgmental. It is literally, you know, sitting and sipping a cup of tea, sipping thoughts, exchanging thoughts and information. And I think what a brilliant platform. I mean, more power to all of you. I think I've taken away a lot. I don't know how much I've given, which is very little, but yes, for me, it's been enriching. It's been valuable. And I learned from all you brilliant women always. So more power to you. Keep being inspirational. Stay special. This is a super platform. I can see it going, I don't know where, reaching the cosmic terrain for all you know. It's just brilliant. So thank you for starting this. Mine is a note of gratitude and all the best wishes and positivity to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
I
So
would
Neha,
love to have,
yeah, quickly, Sneha.
And Sneha Leher is with us. Urvi is with us. To please unmute. And Surbi.
Let's listen to Suki. Sneha is the last host with us on that. Then we will come to all our experts. Yeah, the youngest of all. Sneha, quickly.
Hi. So obviously, I mean, when I was, you reached out to me regarding this, my first thought was, oh my God, I think I'm too young to really bring anything to the table. And I think that still holds true, you know, when I'm sitting with all the wonderful women in all the panels.
It's amazing the amount I can learn. And especially, you know, I sometimes came with that thought process.
The women, and you know, our thoughts are so different, but I realize that fundamentally it's exactly the same. So I mean, I'll try and keep it short, and I will just say that I am so thankful you guys spoke about this, or you guys started this platform, because it's really something, talking about things or talking about topics which people are not comfortable discussing. So I think it's an amazing platform. I think we are striving to not live by the rules which were defined centuries ago, and it's always one step at a time. So kudos to you, women.
Thank you,
Thank
Sneha.
you.
So
We'd
we
love
have
to
Leher, Surabhi.
Surabhi.
Quickly, so Leher is our parenting coach, been there with us from the very beginning. So, yeah, Leher.
My experience with Sipping Thoughts was when I entered into this beautiful studio, which was beyond my dreams that as a studio ho sakta hai. Because till then, my experience with the so-called big brands was their studios were nothing. They were just taking out random, topics. And I told Suki also, like, we guys are so well organized. Our topics are so, up to the current affairs, and the studio is so nice. We will go there. All these big brands, especially in parenting, were doing a very shabby job. I think, Suki, if you remember, I told you that this is so much better than the other brands that I go to. And thankfully that has come true, and we have a long way to go. But the two things which I want to talk today from a personal point of view, I started parenting as actually parenting is a bahana. I wanted to reach out to women, because once you become moms, the best way to talk to women is through parenting. So I would say that parenting is actually a mukhota upar se. It is actually to empower mothers. That's my aim. Because while growing up, and most women, irrespective of where they grow up, I grew up in a very educated family, thankfully. But still, दो चीजें होती हैं. एक, लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये आपको सुनने को मिलता है. And because of that, you are almost apologetic for having thoughts, having something to say, having opinion, cutting people and telling about your opinion. So yeah, even well-meaning, but I also used to face it. And being a person, Suki, Meeta, Tina know it very well. I'm a person of data. I am a person of science. I'm a person of logic. So I have to, if I have data with me, which I can corroborate with, I have to get into the argument. And all my life, I would feel that there are times when I'm made to feel apologetic, that being a woman, how can you have data? Being a woman, how can you, say such things? So when I come here, especially even our offline and online, log kya kahenge, we are shattering that, because we don't care ki log kya kahenge. We're talking of such topics which might be so-called uncomfortable, but just because people put it under the carpet because they're uncomfortable. So that I got here, because you don't have to worry about log kya kahenge, and you don't have to be apologetic about being yourself, which is so liberating. I can't tell you how liberating it is. I can just speak my mind here, and I know I won't be judged. Even if people who don't agree with me, there is a scope of discussion. And I think if all women have that space somewhere in their life, they get so empowered. So I don't know, Meeta likes to call me expert, but I don't think I'm there at all. All women are experts. The experiences we have, I've been talking to normal mothers for my latest book, but the experiences we have, each one of us is an expert, and just we need a platform where we are not judged and we're not made to apologize. And that's exactly what I got here. So thank you so much.
Thank you. So I have...
Surabhi, I think we have also. Surabhi, go ahead.
Okay. Hi, everybody. I'm so glad to be part of this again today. And by the way, I must share with all of you that my son tells me very often, या तो आपकी sipping खत्म नहीं होती है, या तो आपके thoughts खत्म नहीं होते हैं. पता नहीं कितना time यही करती हो. So this entire pandemic, I've been with the register and pen trying to literally taking down notes from all the experts that you guys have called, it's been a personal growth journey for me. I remember the first day so distinctly when I came to the Ferns and Petals MG Road place where we all got together and we did our first shoot. From that day to the new farm that this one had, Meeta has, right? And there we did so many. It's been a wonderful journey. It's been, and you know, when I've been listening to some of the relational experts, they say one of the biggest problems that we face with our relationships today, especially with a spouse, is that there in the earlier times used to be a whole village, a whole set of people in a joint family who could give you different things. And today we have that expectation from that one single person. So I think I've taken all that expectation off that one person and unburdened him because I have Sipping Thoughts today. So Sipping Thoughts, all the best. I just simply love you and I'm hoping this journey continues. Good luck to all of you.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you. We've got two others. We've got Rama and Anusuya here, our first book club members who have been faithfully with us since we started and have read the most amount of books. Sorry, we've not been reading as many books lately. Rama and Anusuya, would you like to say something? I think we'll come back to them. Go ahead, Rama.
Hi, I'm Rama here, and very nice to see you all and talk to you all. Sorry, my computer or the camera is not working properly, and because of that, internet is until that's the reason I've not switched on the video. But yeah, thank you very much for the book. I told Sukirti many times, being part of Book Club, it revived my very old habit of reading a lot of books. Though through Sipping Thoughts, we are not reading anymore, but I have not stopped that habit. I have completed 2 books that I could not discuss with anyone, but yes, it's been a wonderful journey. And thank you very much for making me part of this. Always look forward to coming back to the book club in at your farmhouse and whichever place you conduct. Yeah.
Hopefully very soon, Rama. Very soon.
Looking forward, Rama. Yes.
And we have so many of Dr. Ashima, Dr. Nisha, Jalpa, Manik, who's again been an etiquette coach. Who else I can see? Pukhraj Singh. Yes, Mr. Singh. So all of you, Manik, will you switch on your camera? And just a quick gratitude and a quick connection, because we don't want it to be very preachy and very thanking kind, because this is the platform where we can, as everybody is saying.
Yeah, we decided it to be a party today.
Yeah, it's just that.
Let's switch into the party mode.
So the information, we get from everybody, something or the other. Jalpa is again here from Mumbai. Dr. Nisha is again relationship coach. Ashima,
Bharani also.
Yeah, Suki, who all
I'm trying to see everybody. Yes. We also had Sukriti Verma, who's a very active. I mean, actually, I've seen her so many times. I feel I know her because she's been at so many of our webinars and our sessions. I feel I know lots of you by your names. So please do change your names, because we actually do identify now almost with all of you, because we are always seeing you. We're seeing your faces. We're seeing your lovely smiles. But yes, Jalpa, Manik, please do turn on your cameras. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, so a big congratulations to all of you and lots of love. I mean, it's amazing. You have, each of you actually, first thing is carry this amazing vibe and energy, which is so real. And that is translating into everything that you're doing, and you've opened up like a circle of love. That's the simplest way I can say. You've opened a circle of love, and everybody, we're all celebrating being a woman, and you're having these amazing conversations, which is encouraging expression. And for me, I feel life is about expression, quite simply. And even the conversations and topics, there's nothing you've not touched. Even people, it's so therapeutic anyway to be with your girlfriends. Even to be on a holiday, to have conversations, having a night out with your girlfriends. And here you've even opened up a platform where people can talk about things they would not talk to a known set of people too. And yes, it's the simplest way I can say it is you opened up a circle of love, and it's so real, and it's amazing. I've experienced the warmth and love with which you guys are doing things. I was there with you for 3, And I hope we'll be doing a lot more things together. But yes, congratulations. And I think the sky is the limit for Sipping Thoughts. The way you guys are
Thank you,
doing.
Jilpa. Thank you, Jilpa.
And you're
Dr.
touching
Nisha,
on women, everyone. You know, even small things, I'm telling you, we've moved to a virtual world. The first time I was going in for an online, you know, you're only used to wearing your track pants and t-shirt. And I heard Tina saying, wear solid colors, it looks good. And it was a really good mantra, you know, and I used it for so many of my things. So you're giving real life, you know, translating your own life. You're not only expressing, you're bringing out that expression in so many people. And, you know, that's such a big gift. Such a big gift. You're being catalyst to change people in every way possible. So yeah, and I know all of you personally, you know, and I've been at, you know, with Neeta even in her home, and she's such an amazing human being, and all of you. So yeah, thank you for the circle of love.
Thank you, Jalpa. Thank you. You're kind. Dr. Nisha, quickly.
I would say congratulations to Sipping Thoughts and the whole team. I think so. It's like the idea of both of you, Sukriti and Mitaji, yours idea. And I think so everyone, the whole team worked hard for that. And that's why you completed 3 years. And the thought process, what you have to, especially about the women, how to empower women. And I think so lots of women you gave an opportunity, and it is an equal platform that every woman has come up on the platform and speak it about their own opinions about their. So it's about, you will get the versatile view about the one particular topic. I think so. Congratulations to, and have a great journey ahead also. Thank you so much.
We've got
Anurag
Dr.
is a
Rachna and Manik also.
Yeah, and Anurag is a naughty boy who is somewhere. He has not changed his name. Can I?
Yeah, so Manik, maybe we can start with, then we'll go to Anurag and then Dr. Rachna.
Yeah.
Hi.
And Dr. Ashima and Preeti. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, we can hear you.
Many congratulations. And can you hear my hoarse voice? So that's the magic of Sipping Thoughts and the warmth and the love that you guys exude, that I'm sitting in the bed. I caught a chill last evening, but I said, and I had planned to wear something nice and, you know, and be there for the celebration, albeit virtual. But guess what? I'm here, but still, nevertheless, I just said I have to participate. I have to be a part of it. I didn't have the energy to get up, to even go to the washroom. But I just thought I have to be there, at least, you know, make my presence felt even as audience. But well done. Kudos to you all. And I just, for you, I just want to say 2 things. That one, I feel Sipping Thoughts is a bouquet of flowers. Just like every flower has a different fragrance and its own beauty, the same way I feel for each one of you. And you guys have enriched my life also in a beautiful way. Personally, I'm very thankful to you for all of that. And secondly, one very big thing that I felt about your platform was that you guys believe in lifting each other up, and women in general, and not, it's a breath of fresh air when you see, you know, a lot happening with women and not progressing because we are tearing down each other all the time. This is one platform which makes you believe, no, that statement cannot be generalized. So well done. Keep going strong. We're all there with you in each and every moment and each and every event that you do, big or small, doesn't matter. Keep going. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manik. Who is next?
Dr. Rachna and Anurag.
And after Raj.
Hi.
Hi, Dr. Rachna.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Special hello and lots of hugs to Sukriti, Neeta, Sujata, who I've known and grown for the last couple of years with, and a big congratulations to Sipping Thoughts. I feel really blessed to be a part of you know, a platform like Sipping Thoughts, and I think it totally does justice to its name, that, you know, it's not only just, we're not just sipping thoughts. I think we're just creating more thoughts, so much more positivity in the environment, and you guys are a big medium to it. And I must say, the way You people developed yourselves, especially in the pandemic. I think it's been a completely pioneering activity, having experts from all over the world, fantastic experts. And I feel bad that I couldn't listen to some of them because of, we were stuck at work and so on. We were also cascaded down with a lot of work because of being in mental health. But yes, it has been a beautiful journey, and that's just the beginning actually. And the journey is going to carry on longer, larger than you guys could have ever dreamt. So there's a whole new big horizon, big world lying there for Sipping Thoughts and their team, and big hugs to all of you guys. And love to be a part of everything that you guys do. And I actually genuinely feel honored and blessed to have actually taken some very important milestones and some baby steps with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr.
We've got Dr. Ashima, Anurag. Please do unmute yourselves. Pukraj, go ahead.
Yeah, hi everybody. And thank you for making me a part of this platform. It was strange because it's only ladies around. There's just 3 men in there. But every time I'm here, I'm there and I'm meeting you or hearing you all out is just amazing. It's just inspirational. Because what I have seen, what I feel in the last 20, 30 years, the way women have evolved, especially in India, is just amazing. All of you, I think, stepped further on because we said, okay, we've had a kid, we've looked after our husbands, let's do things for our own self. And that's where I see each and every one of you evolving in your own beautiful ways, helping people, helping everybody around in your own amazing ways. So this is such a great platform, and thank you for making me a part of this. Yeah, it's so inspirational. I love to be here just to get the energy from every one of you. Yeah, so wonderful. Yeah.
Thank you, Pukraj. Dr. Ashima.
Hello everyone, and congratulations. And yeah, I've been listening to all the beautiful things that people have been saying, and I think it kind of, covers every word that one would like to share on today's special day. I think it's a beautiful platform. I've just I came to know about this not very long ago. But the amazing work that Sipping Thoughts is doing in getting all the women together, the voice that I hear and I see in your platform is amazing. And I believe there's so much of compassion, love, sharing, because a platform where people are sharing their knowledge, all that they have learned, their experiences, I think that makes it very special here. And that in itself is so empowering because, we have so many thoughts in our mind, and to be able to get it on a platform where one is not judged, where one feels, one gets a space. And particularly, I have to mention here, Meeta, you and Sukriti are so comforting. And I heard so many people say that. I think that's the biggest USP of this platform, and I don't see it anywhere else. It just kind of, even in a counseling platform, I always feel that providing that environment where people just open up, they feel so acknowledged, they feel so comfortable, and they're able to share not only the experiences, but their beautiful thoughts and skills. Amazing platform, and a big congratulations to you. And this is, when women are together, there's no bigger power in the world than women power. And this is that platform. So grateful to be part of this journey with you, and many more to come. And a big congratulations to the whole team, because I know what it requires to curate, to create, and to join hundreds and hundreds of women together on a single platform. So congratulations and thank you so much. Thank you. Best wishes to you, Meeta, Sukriti, and your whole team. So
Thank
looking
you.
forward to be doing a lot of things together and bringing joy, love, laughter, and this freedom that you're providing to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ashima. We have Priya Hingorani here, whose advice has been like the one of the
Yes,
best
I
videos.
think I'm asking her to join back.
She's here. She's here.
She's there, perfect.
And Anurag is also here.
I'm here.
Yeah, and if we could also have them
Hello,
see
Sukriti, I'm
Priya. Priya?
Yeah, she's here.
Sorry?
Anurag is also here.
Priya Hingorani. Priya, hi.
Yeah. Hello, Sukriti. How are you?
Good, good. We can't.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Priya.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we all can
Okay.
hear you.
Well, heartiest congratulations to all of you. It's been a pleasure being associated with all of you, and I still remember my first program and how viral it went, as if I may say so.
It is
And
still very
I
viral.
think we were all flooded with comments. And you got, I think, amazing feedback. It is very heartening. And I think that's the kind of program, the meaningful programs. The one word which comes to my mind when we think of Sipping Thoughts is meaningful programs. And I'm so happy that you have continued with that trend in the last 3 years of holding meaningful programs, of educating and enlightening the audience and the participants. And I hope you continue to do that, because at the end of the day, when youngsters, go onto the social media and they type in things that they want to know, whether, like in this pandemic, I found that a lot of women and young girls and children went on asking for advice and counseling, whether it was in their personal family matters or in their educational matters, or even mentoring for the frustration that they were going through. A lot of times Sipping Thoughts and their programs come up in it, and I think that's the whole purpose of the events that you have organized in the last at least 8 months. The webinars has got people involved, and I think a lot of people have logged into the events that you have been organizing. So the end of the day, I feel what we, apart from women, of course women need that the mentoring that you are doing. They come away with having positive feeling, and that thing is very, very important and calming. Women need to be, and I mean, that's what my take would be, and my message would be that I think we need to empower women to feel very secure within themselves, also feel very positive about themselves, and then they are able to take on the world. As a lawyer practicing in all courts in India and overseas, and particularly and dealing with issues of family law and human rights, I find that the girls and or the women who go through personal problems need the hand holding. And I think groups and events organized by Sipping Thoughts is a very great platform for them. So wish you all the very best, and keep continue doing the meaningful good work that you're doing. And I'm always there for you as and when you need me. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, Priya. It's so
And
kind of you.
Anurag.
Anurag, and after that we can see Colonel Rohit here, latecomer.
And we've got Kavita, I think, with us also. Kavita Devgan is there. So there, and then we've got some more people also.
Yeah. So, Mr.
I see
Anurag,
so many new faces, and it's so nice to see so many new people. I think it's a beautiful platform. There are many familiar faces also, of course. And this has been a beautiful journey. I think Sipping Thoughts was quite new when I was introduced to it. And, Meeta invited me to come and give a talk. I mean, it was an interview about women's sanitation hygiene, the project that I work on. And that's how I got to know so many people from that day onwards, starting with Sukirti, and then Anubha, and then Tina, and Harika, and Sujata. So, and thankfully they were all nice people, Dr. Nisha, and then it was beautiful to meet so many new people through this platform. And of course, we collaborated for many events together. We came together for multiple events. Of course, I miss Sheila's, talk. It was beautiful, how we spent not one day, not 2 days. We spent days and weeks together and we celebrated this beautiful feeling and this togetherness in us. Of course, this is a platform for women, but that doesn't mean that men can't be a part of it. So we've always been a part of it, and enjoyed it. And as Anubha said, I was listening to what Anubha was saying. Everything, we enjoy every bit of it. Talking afterwards, or bitching about people. Yes, we love it.
About ourselves more.
Yeah, I mean, we just enjoy this. This is like a
Anurag,
family.
we lost your
Extended
voice.
family.
We can hear him.
It is an extended family that we have and that we enjoy being with. In fact, Meeta and I have been very close as friends. She's been a part of what I do. She's been someone who's been guiding me. It's like I scold her and she scolds me. So that has been the relationship with Sukirti. It has been really nice. I've got to learn a lot of things from her and understood the way she functions, the corporate world where she comes from. So she's taught a lot of business to us. Harika, on the other end, is someone whom I love, adore, again, for her saris. Again, Harika, that is one of my problems. I can't see you in saris these days. Sujata has always been someone I've pulled her leg, I've made fun of her, but she's always high in her spirit. She's always, being in high spirits. She's always, so it is a huge journey. I mean, we don't have enough time to talk about individually about everyone, but you all know how much I love you and how much it is nice to be with all of you. And I hope the potential, of course, the potential of Sipping Thoughts is so much. The first day, as Leher was saying, the studio was so beautiful. When I went to the studio, the old one in Flagship, it was so beautiful. So that is exactly what I told Meeta. I said, this is stunning because I've never seen this kind of studio ever before. So from there to where Sipping Thoughts is right now has huge potential. Thankfully, initially, I was a bit nervous when I got to know about this platform, and I discussed it with Meeta. I said, Meeta, I hope Sipping Thoughts is not going to be like any other kitty party sort of, women coming together. And I said, do you think it is like that? She said, no. And when I went on the platform and started to, see the kind of conversations that were happening, it was so beautiful. It was not something like the kitty party. So, it was something much more than that. And today, as someone just said that, women are going on the platform to get information about various topics. So the diversity that Meeta and Sukirti have brought to this platform is amazing. And thank you for involving men also and thinking that men also are a part of it. Because what I hate about a lot of people who called feminism, they somehow tend to think that feminism is equal to male bashing. So thank you for this platform for not doing that and involving men also. And this has been a great journey, Meeta and Sukirti. I congratulate both of you being founders of this platform. And I wish you take it ahead, and I'll always be a part of it. And we have to fight, we have to love, we have to do a lot of things together. I hope this pandemic gets over soon so that we can do something next, which is big and bigger than what we did in the past.
So virtual fight we don't enjoy, so we have to do physical fight.
Yeah.
So Kavita, Preeti, and then Seema. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Rohit also, he has been a big contributor.
Yes, Rohit also. So we'll start with, I think, yes, I'm just looking for Rohit, but go ahead, Kavita.
Hi, Sukirti. I'm so sorry, first of all, for joining in so late, but something clashed with it. Like I wrote to you, I had another webinar. I just finished that, and I was hoping that you haven't finished. So I've really missed listening to so many of you, and that's my loss completely. But thankfully, I could make it for the last whatever minutes. I am a very recent joinee to your, probably came to know about you when you got in touch with me about a month and a half back. And that again is my loss. I don't know how, somehow I did not know about you people. So I really enjoyed my stint with you. I enjoyed that talk so much. And there's something I really want to share with you. A very old college friend of mine, I mean, I'm talking about 20 years back. We used to study together. We did our masters together. I'm still in touch with her. She's in Muradabad now. And so when I did this Sipping Thoughts, she actually, before, when I put up the thing that this will be on, she called me up and she said, "Oh, I'm so happy that you're going on Sipping Thoughts because I follow them." And she doesn't care that I've been doing every single talk the whole world over. I have not got a call from her saying that, and she was like, "So I'm so proud you're going on Sipping Thoughts. I'm going to listen." And I follow them and I listen to everything. So I was like, oh, so I'm the late entrant here. So that was my feeling there. So I really enjoyed my stint with you. I hope there are more. And like I said in that talk as well, I hope we can do something live sometime soon, because that will be so lovely, And I wish you the very best for everything. I have joined in a couple more talks after that, the ones that you've done, and I've enjoyed those. I try to join in when I can, but not as much as I would like to. But maybe I'll try a little harder. But best of luck to all of you guys. And hi, Meeta. I haven't met you. I met Sukriti the other day, but now I see you, so I thought I'll say hi to you as well.
Hi, Kavita. I know.
Thank you, Kavita. Preeti, we've been waiting.
Hi, everyone. And first of all, many congratulations to Sipping Thoughts and Meeta, Sukriti, Sujata, everyone, that you guys are doing immensely good job. And what I felt is like Sipping Thought has came up as one of the most inspiring platform. Where becoming a woman, like being a woman, is a matter of celebration. You can celebrate being a woman. And I remember the day when I went for the shoot for the very first time. And I was a little nervous that I'm going to meet some new people. And I'm really feeling gratitude and thankful. I will be thankful my whole life because you guys gave us the platform to talk about our life, our struggles, and many things, and breaking the taboo also. So I am like very thankful to all of you, and I'm sure Sipping Thoughts is going to do lot more. And I believe that Sipping Thoughts is inspiring many lives. So thanks again.
Thank you, Preeti.
Colonel Rohit.
Colonel Rohit just landed in Delhi, so he tried to log in. If he can, within minutes, he will. Otherwise, he sent his wishes. So, yeah.
Meeta, Sukriti, there was also another discussion about what are we expecting from a women's platform, and mostly even Let's Talk, or whether it's the webinars, it's your vision. So why don't we talk about that also a little bit? So
yeah, my whole idea with the platform is women are always busy with our work, parenthood, or house chores, or multitasking. And whenever I used to be with in a social gathering or something, I always used to feel that we are looked down as you don't know much. Oh, you have your home priorities. And for me, I always wanted to have all the knowledge in limited time. And believe me, now when I watch a show on YouTube, I read something, I feel I know it all just because of Sipping Thought. Believe me, it's everybody came on the show, everybody talked, made us learn something, made us think about it. I am reading newspapers. I am reading so I feel that in the last 3 years, more than anybody else, I am an evolved person. I am a holistic person. That is what I felt. I needed a platform like this where all kind of a brains, name a doctor, you name a professor, you name a psychiatrist, you name anybody, everybody is here. So that is the beauty of a platform, I feel.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with Meeta more. When we think about Sipping Thoughts, I think the idea was that a lot of times, yes, women are a little bit shyer, they're a little bit more reluctant. We want to be more sure of ourselves. But what happens is when we are together as a community, we realize that actually all of us maybe are feeling very similarly, and we can actually hold each other up, can actually uplift each other, learn from each other. And that's really why we wanted to provide such a platform.
Beautiful. My goal, as I was on my journey, was a lot of unconditioning and journey to self. I've always told Meeta that when we used to talk about Let's Talk. So that's how I see Sipping Thoughts is unconditioning, journey to self, and a lot of growing. And it's like when you see so many women's journey, it's like it's your horizon broadens. And that's exactly what Sipping Thought has done, and that's the expectation that the more we see it, the more our horizons are like, oh my God, so much is possible. There's no one way to live life. There's no one way of doing things. It's an infinite number of ways of living life, and that's how I see Sipping Thoughts and as a women's platform. So
when we started out,
sorry, go ahead.
didn't know what to expect really. It was kind of a trial for everything. But there are two things which really came out from this for me, because there's a saying that men are from Mars and women are from Venus, which is true, because there are certain things in life where your thought processes, where there are things you want to discuss about things which are very close to you. One thing could be probably your children, and the other thing could be when you're going through menopause, or I'm talking about my age, the things that a woman goes through, and you want to talk about it. But talking about it to your husband, maybe you're not getting the desired results, or maybe he doesn't think in the same manner, and things are not getting resolved. But here, when you're talking to so many other people, and you can put your thoughts on board, and you can get the affirmation from people that yes, you're not the only one going through this, or this is what goes through. It is so comforting to so that bit really helped me, and that kind of pushed us to do a bit more, because these were my things where it helped me. So that's when you start thinking of, okay, how can now we broaden that horizon. So this platform really helped me personally too.
Yeah, Jaya is here. Suki.
Jaya, Jalpa, and I think Dimple also wanted to speak.
Yeah, Jaya, I think she's again a very regular host with us. Can we have her?
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Yes. If you show your face, people will see you also and know that who is it.
No, I don't want to show my face. I'm going to keep my pretty face to myself today. But many congratulations, everyone. This is such a beautiful and warm platform. The most beautiful part about this is everyone is very genuine. And, the choice of people is always, it's people next door. It's people like us. It's, day-to-day issues we women keep holding on to. So it's a very relatable platform, and I'm thankful to Meeta to include me. She always, for last 1 year, she's been calling me to the studio, and I've been getting these kabhi koi bahana. Finally, virtual world has opened a whole new dimension to everything. And it feels great to talk about everything openly with a like-minded set of people. So many congratulations. Looking forward to many shows. Have a whole list of, this ready, topics ready. So yeah. Looking forward to many more.
Thank you,
Dimple, you also wanted to speak. I'm asking you to unmute.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Dimple. Thank you for this wonderful, warm platform, and the feeling and the sense of Sipping Thought is upliftment of women. That is true. That is the true spirit, and I feel that way. And it is a wonderful feeling to be connected to Sipping Thoughts on different platforms, discussing so much more that you can, relate to, and it just feels just to be, the feeling to be just comes alive with Sipping Thoughts. So all the best and keep up the good work.
Jalpa, you wanted to say something, and then I want to introduce the Sipping Thoughts team that actually makes this all possible week after week, day after day. We are sitting here looking nice, but they're the ones that also do all the heavy lifting. So I would like them all to turn on their cameras because we want you on air. Sipping Thoughts team. Go ahead, Jalpa.
Okay, I thought you were asking them. No, I just wanted to again, congratulate you. Like someone just said that it's so real the way you guys are sharing, and it's the way you conduct the interviews also, all the sessions, the live sessions, Sukriti, Meeta, and the entire team. It's with such a sense of flair and panache, and you're creating a very safe environment for the women to open up to life, and that's such a big gift, such a safe environment. So congratulations again. I just felt like acknowledging that because it's beautiful. Even I remember when I came for Stree, the way, you know, you steer through the panel discussion was beautiful. I mean, a lot of people are doing these things, but it's very real. It's a lot of beauty which is coming through.
Thank you, Jalpa. Thank you. So the team behind it. Spotlight, please.
Where's Neha?
हम अपने आप को स्पॉटलाइट कर दूं.
Can we give a standing ovation?
Rohit, spotlight has to be on you.
On you, on Damini, on Neha.
Neha.
Tirelessly, they work for us day and night, and we trouble.
Cheers! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Neha, where are you?
Where's Neha?
Neha has her video turned off. Neha, we want to see you. Yes, I'm spotlighting you. There we go. This is the back end team that works really in terms of making all of this possible week after week. And really, it takes a lot of work, a lot of effort from their part. And they do it always smiling and so gracefully.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone for being
Thank you so much. Last word from the team.
I think Sipping Thoughts has actually evolved my thoughts in personal life as well. I used to think differently. I had different thoughts, but now it's, you know, all a lot more clearer. And of course, the amazing team. I think Damini is kind of handling almost everything, each one of us. Rohit is the mastermind behind everything that goes on, you know, YouTube and other channels. And Meeta ma'am and Sukirti ma'am, of course, the mind behind all of it. I'm just really, really grateful to be connected with the platform.
Damini, our editor. Damini, go ahead.
It has been amazing journey. I've joined just earlier this year. And as soon as I joined, we reached a pandemic point and it was all work from home and everything. But the comfort level that I have felt over here and, you know, the kind of topics and everything, it's like, as Neha also said, it's a personal connection that we feel with the platform because it's
I
coming
want to add
from-
just one thing. I'm really sorry to cut you. Someone said that, you know, we always talk about all the uncomfortable things that people don't really talk about. I think this is what is very intriguing about Sipping Thoughts, that we always try to talk about all the things that women don't want to either, or they don't talk about openly. And I think a lot of messages and people that comment, they say the same thing, that, you know, it's wonderful that you guys are talking about it because not a lot of people are doing it. So yes, sorry Damini, continue.
No, it's okay. It's just an amazing experience, you know, connecting with Sukirti ma'am, meeting Meeta ma'am over here, and connecting with all our experts, our key hosts, everyone, the support that all of you have offered, you know, all the WhatsApp messages back and forth, and the way you have been making all of us feel very comfortable over here. And I just want to grow with it. I want to see it grow and go, you know, to the stars, make it global platform. That's my idea. And I want to stay here till the end of the time, as long as you would have me. And, you know, just want to see it going global now. That's my way.
Thank you. And we forgot to mention two people to our design team, Komal and Pragya, who are not here. Britesh and Ankit, the digital team, who are not here. We forgot to tell them to be here, but our gratitude to the team and the support team.
And Rohit, who makes us all look good on video.
So I think मैं second shoot से हूँ. First shoot से तो नहीं, second shoot से हूँ. But यहाँ पे आके मुझे women's के बारे में जितना knowledge मिला. Sipping Thought, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा एक company है. Sipping Thought मेरे लिए एक family है. Emotionally, सब तरह में दोनों मैम ने मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से help की. And no doubt guide करने के लिए दामिनी यहाँ पे help करने के लिए नेहा.
डाटा भी बहुत है रोहित.
अब मैंने डांट बहुत खाई. आई थिंक इतने 3 साल मुझे भी हो गए. अब बीच में मैंने छोड़ दिया था, बट सबसे ज्यादा डांट मेरे ख्याल से मैंने ही खाया है. सो ये ऐसे चलते रहा एंड अभी बहुत दूर चलना है हमें. जो वुमेन, एक लाइन है ना, सॉरी, कि वुमेन फॉर वुमेन हु सपोर्ट्स मेन वाला जो लाइन है, वो मैन जो है सिपिंग थॉट में राइट नाउ मैं ही रहता हूँ ब्रैकेट में और सपोर्ट कर. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, team, because without you, honestly, none of this would have been possible. Thank you all for making actually this happen.
Thank you. So how do we want to end this one today? It's very like we are getting emotional and a lot of thoughts, a lot of feeling behind it. It's very difficult to say that we are closing the show today, but it's just that अभी हमने सबने बोला कि what do we feel? I feel that we have become cousins. नहीं होता है, we fight, we talk, we share, we sometimes look at each other. Oh, you are wearing something nice today. Oh, am I looking good today? No. So it's like it's the family that has become where you know that a phone call away, anything you need in life, we are just there. Anything, there's nothing that we don't have it among our circle. So that is the beautiful part of it, and difficult to say goodbye, and there should not be any goodbyes.
We don't have to
And
say bye.
like me and Suki always say कि हम दो चले थे, फिर चार हुए, फिर ये कारवां बनता गया. I hope this family becomes, we are in millions now, and I don't know where will we go, but the sky is the limit, as everybody said. And we will be a close-knit family, cousins always. So,
Beautifully said.
Rohit, if we can also show our 3-year video, that would be nice. It's so beautifully made by you and Damini and Neha. Rohit?
Very nice.
It was so beautiful. Yeah.
Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you all for being part of Sipping Thoughts, really down from the bottom of my heart. This journey would not have been as much fun without you, and it has only been possible because of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Suki. Thank you, Meeta. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, everyone, and the show must go on.
Yes.
Thank you all so much. Really.
I think after the lockdown, we're going to have a very big party.
Yeah, we really need to hug each other.
Dance our hearts out. I mean, I haven't not danced for so long, so we have to go dancing.
Must.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I'm going to unmute everybody. So please, we would like for everybody to unmute and let's wish Sipping Thoughts a happy birthday, I guess. And do we sing happy birthday? I don't know, but I would love to, all of us, please do unmute, and we would love to give Sipping Thoughts a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sipping Thoughts.
Happy birthday, Sipping Thoughts.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sipping Thoughts.
Yeah, and good wishes to the whole team. I think it was a beautiful experience today, just listening to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keep growing from
you.
strength to strength. Great going, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So glad I joined even if
End with 3 hip hip hooray.
Yeah.
Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hooray!
Hooray!
Bye.
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 Bye,
Guys.
guys.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Wow. Wonderful.